This is a build guide for the Holy80 Kit. When you open the Holy80 carrying case, you will find a Holy80 case, rubber feet, screwdriver bit, a JST cable, a screwdriver, a screw set, silicone bumpers, plate screws, and silicone light diffuser. Attach the rubber feet to the bottom case. Then unscrew and remove all screws from the bottom case. Take out the PCB. The daughter board and the JST cable. Connect the cable to the daughter board, paying attention to the arrow indicator for orientation. Use tweezers to short the test points on the PCB to check for a proper electrical connection. Lubricate your stabilizers and install them onto the PCB. Each stabilizer is secured with 2 screws. Take out the hotswap screw set. First, install the screw standoff onto the PCB. This will hold the plate. Place the foam onto the PCB, followed by the plate. Then use the plate screw to secure the plate to the PCB. Now you can install your MX switches. Here we are using cherry purple switches. Remember to press them in vertically to avoid bending the pins. Take the bottom case and install the daughter board, securing it with screws. Connect the cable to the daughter board, again noting the arrow for correct orientation. Place the silicone bumpers into the screw holes on the top case. Install the silicone light diffuser. You can choose between the A or B style for different lighting effects. Carefully place the assembled barebone unit. to the top case and secure it with screws. Connect the other end of the cable to the PCB. You can now remove the arrow indicator's sticker. Finally, attach the bottom case to the top case and fasten them together with screws. Connect the keyboard to your computer. Notice the different lighting effects between the A and B diffuser styles. Install your keycaps. Here we're using the PV Defense Neo set.